Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we back with another episode of Monk's Box, your unboxing video series where we unbox tech toys and sneakers. And this is a sneakers episode, man. So subscribe and turn on notifications, man, because I think you're going to like what we bring to the table here. So today, I got a pair of kicks that's just straight garbage, you know what I'm saying? Or at least 20% post-consumer garbage, you know what I'm saying? And what's interesting, I hit on these because this is kind of an anger purchase. What we got here? So we got the Nike Space Hippie 04. So what had happened was I tried to get the Hot Top Space Hippie that day on Sneakers app, and of course I didn't hit. So of course, out of anger, I go look at them. I'm looking at the resellers. That I ain't liking them prices. But then I found these, and these had just came out, and these was in stock at a reasonable price. So let's get a look at these. First of all, let's talk about this box. It's very minimum, untraditional shoebox shape. It's probably about probably a little bit over half the width of a normal sneaker box. You know, the height and the length, you know, that's about on par. But this is interesting. So right away inside, take a look at this. We've got, you know, interesting visual right here. You know, Space Hippie written inside the box, and the logo is trash transformed. You know what I'm saying? So these shoes are going to feature post-consumer product, basically recyclables that went into making these shoes, and they are an odd shoe. So take a look at this, yo. This is crazy. So first of all, it's hard to show this shoe because the upper pretty much has no form. This is definitely one of those socks with a sole models, pretty much, you know. But this is crazy. So my guess right here is where most of the post-consumers going in. Definitely looks like they took a bunch of different plastic materials, maybe chopped them up, and then kind of melded them down a little bit and fused them back together. So let's get a look up closer into that. Look at those little specks of different fibers and materials. Yeah, really crazy design here. Especially look at that right there. You can definitely tell, you know, with that toe area that something crazy is going on. But let's get a look at these. So pretty much we got rope laces, you know, that hold this thing together, and they're attached to these green threads. You know, this is a green and gray model that pretty much hold everything together. So these also double, you know, as reinforcement and as your lace loops, you know, and that's crazy. So we got 04 on the tongue, indicating the year, you know, or the iteration of these, you know. Inside this, let's see, the sole is a little sticky. It comes out, and boom, you know, we got the logo too that you know, symbolizes this recycled shoe. They all got that, you know, on them. And yeah, and these are crazy. So what I do want to point out, they do run a little bit larger. This is size 12, but the toe space is more like a 12.5, and boom, and that's it. So there's really not much to say about these. You do get a little bit of height, like your foot line probably starts about right here. That's where the foot reaches it. And so, you know, my short cats, you're gonna get about an extra 1.25 inches out of these, man. You know, you'll finally be able to ride all the rides at Six Flags. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold you. These are tight, man. You know, putting them on the feet, like I said, you do get that extra toe space, so they are very comfortable. It does take a little bit of stepping to get used to the, you know, like I said, there's added height here and added reinforcement. But I'm not sure if I would, you know, try these for athletics, but these are great for just getting around day to day, you know, running your errands and all that stuff. So definitely, I think this is a dope shoe, but I'm on the hunt. I need them hot tops. I need that Hot Top Space Hippie. But that's it for today, folks. I'm not gonna hold you. Check it out, man. The Nike Space Hippie version 4. We out.